So, it is 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going down to Port of the Isles to go fishing this morning. Dixie just take the bunny and make sure she didn't get it, and then just kill it and leave it. She did. She's pissed that she didn't get it. I saw her. She was on it. I thought she got it for sure, but she didn't. Oh, what now? Boat's hooked up already. Camera's over there. Oh, we're going. It's gonna be good. Hi, Cameron. Cameron's speeding away. We're on our way. We gotta stop at the gas station. But after that, oh god, after that, we're going fishing. Port of the Isles. It's gonna be the best day. We're gonna catch so many fish. We made it. We made it to the Port of the Isles, finally. Cameron and Brittany and Kendall. And it is time to idle for an hour and a half to go to where the fish are. I mean, there's fish in it where the idle is, but you know, that's besides the point. We're gonna go to the outside islands and fish the outside islands and see how that goes. Well, what feels like forever, we're finally to the outside, not the outside, the channel where we can go fast. Thank God. Thank God. That idle never gets better. It sucks dick every single time. But now we can go fast and cool down. It's hot as balls already. It's like 8:30. It's 9:15 actually. Still, it's already hot as balls. It's awful. Okay, we're back in action. There was a crackling sound in the boat, and it was the weirdest thing. It sounded like my boat was burning down, but called Cameron. He said his boat's doing the same thing. So either both of our boats are ironically burning at the same exact time, or it's something in the water. If anyone knows what that is, please, for the love of God, let me know. It just about gave me a heart attack. I thought the foam under the boat was burning. God, what if it's a Jewfish? Kind of funny. Is it? Yeah. Alright. Get his ass in here. Hang on. The little guy. Okay, give me it. Come here, fella. Want a picture with him? Good job, little guy. Ow. Let me go. Let me go with your damn gill plates. Yes. Oh, what's that? Oh, a little shark. Look at him. Yeah, little shark. He's just swimming. See him? Oh, he's gonna eat it. He's eating it. He's all over it. Oh, he's right there. He's still here. He's right there. See him right here? See him? He wants it. Oh my God. Can't believe he ate that. It's half a thing. With no tail. Yeah. Simmer down. Ow! Ow! Oh! He fell spine first right into the top of my foot. Ow. Damn it. I'm bleeding now. Bastard stabbed me. Got me pretty good. The nipper. Yeah. I'm getting stabbed by all the fish today. Technically, I mean, it's really no weight.
That's the beaver tail that lives right there.
Yeah.
I'd be doing the same thing. No way.
There's just sharks right there. Sharks everywhere. There's sharks everywhere around here. We're trying to get them. Brittany's avet still has not caught anything.
Caught a sail cat though.
They caught a sail cat, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna take it away from her. What if for freaking her birthday? Ooh, tarpon just rolled back there.
Okay, that shark wants nothing to do with
something's
it.
hitting this one.
I just got a hit.
Yeah, something's playing with this one too. Oh.
It's right here.
Oh, here, you can have it.
Kind of going against his instincts.
Here you go.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no! Oh, he's back out.
Yes.
He's out.
Oh, yeah, no, walk out!
Oh!
Short at me.
Check this shit out. Look at you guys.
Look at us.
You want to get your GoPro?
Oh fuck. I mean shoot. I mean frick.
Oh, please, someone just grab it.
Cameron, I don't have a line.
Oh, that's just Andy.
Get over here, young man.
That's a slightly larger one.
Yeah, he's bigger.
Cameron's got one. There's just sharks out to wazoo here.
Oh, and you still got your bait.
And he's got the bait on there. Little guy.
Guys, take notes. Come
Oh, maybe not.
Yeah. No, you still got the bait on there. Look at that. Look at him go.
on. So what do I do from here?
I don't know. Shark. Just release a shark. He's gonna swim off. He's gonna go home. He's gonna be fine. Well, we're done shark fishing. I think we're done fishing completely. It's really hot out. And we have a ton of fireworks to shoot off at the house. So we're gonna do that. Now I just have to make this long, boring idle all the way back in. It's pretty terrible every time. Never gets better. But we caught a bunch of shark. It was fun. Caught some snook. Whatever. Not a great day fishing, but it's gonna be a great night of fireworks. That's for sure. Isn't it? Yeah. It's for sure. Oh, manatee right there. Look at him. Old guy. Oh well, he's gone. He's gone now. But there was a manatee. There was. So we made it back to the house. Right now it's just me and Kendall. Cameron and Brittany had to stop, drop off Cameron's boat. But it was really hot out. The dogs didn't go today. They're sad about it. Too sad. Too sad. My parents are gone right now, so we got Remy too. Oh man and Yogi. Oh, but it's gonna be fun tonight because we have all of these. Oh god. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun. Cameron and Brittany should be coming any second now. They wanted me to take a video of them driving down the road with their flags flying for 4th of July. I can't blame them. I just don't have flags on my truck. I don't know. I just didn't buy them. I'm gonna take it on my phone and on the GoPro. Here they come. They're coming now. Oh god, here they come. Here they are. The convoy. We are starting the fireworks. It's time. The sun has gone down. Oh god, we're getting ready. You guys can't see shit, but it's all back there. No, Kendall's not driving my truck. I'm driving to the road. No.
Don't.
No.
I'm gonna spoil you.
Don't. All right. Me and Cameron doing a little Roman candle fight action here. I'm ready. Let's go, bitch. Come on. You don't want none? Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. Oh. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, oh. Dude. Oh. All right, I'm ready. Last round. It's me and Cameron. This round, me and Payson. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. Here we go. You ready? All right, let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! 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 You almost got me a few times, I'm not gonna lie. Whew. Oh, I got the goph, baby. I want the goph.
Okay.
Alright. We're shooting off the goph.
We're in the middle.
We're gophing.
Still need a lighter.
Yeah, yeah.
I have a lighter. We can only light so much. Here, you can light one. Oh, shit.
Wait, where's the fuse?
The goph at the same time.
Where's the fuse on the goph?
Find it.
That's why I just showed you. Stop using the lighter as a light. It's
There it
kinda
is. I'm ready to goph, guys.
You don't know if you're gonna go for ghosts.
I'm ready to go for the goph. Whenever you guys are ready. I'm gophing.
Wait, we need somebody here. 5,
We don't have enough lighters.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're gophing. Oh, shit. Oh, we're gophing.
The goph didn't go. The goph didn't go. Wait, the goph did go. Okay, the goph went.
Oh, no.
Ah!
Oh, that was it?
No, it's just slower.
It goes one at a time?
Now let's go.
Yeah. See, that's what I said. They are.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. As you can see, we got the trio going. Okay,
Yeah.
we got 3 tied up into 1.
Seems very safe.
Yeah, exactly.
That's perfect. We're
Well, I mean, you could light 3 fuses, or you could just light 1.
Or you could light
so-
one. It's
Exactly. That's what
simple
we're saying.
math, really.
Oh my God.
Any genius in the business
Yeah.
will tell you to light 3.
Why do you only have 2 going on, Grant?
I don't know. I don't know that we have another. Do we have another?
We definitely.
Oh, we have
Well,
more
then
than
we
enough.
can get.
Do you want
another.
to wait till the next go around?
Why not do it now?
Yeah, I mean, might as well just do it. One more.
Okay, keep that light on. It's a little short.
Any possibility? Anything can go wrong here?
No possibility of anything going
No.
on. This is full proof.
I aimed it downward. I don't know if you want to do that.
Yeah, I did that last. Why are you the one telling me what to do, Cam?
That's a good point.
Yeah, you whiffed last round. What
Well,
happened?
no, that's
Big
what I'm
ol'
saying.
whiff.
Last round, I aimed it upward. I couldn't light it.
Which way did
so-
I have it last time?
I think you had. Well,
I believe
you kind
I-
of got it going off the
I
side.
believe I
so
had
it's
it
fine.
Can I get a light?
Should I light it with the M80?
How are my wicks over here?
Line. Throw.
I'm gonna
Oh,
light
this
the
guy's
M80.
not even up in here.
You gotta be gentle with it.
Does
No,
it light, does it
no,
light it now?
no.
It's 5 seconds, Grant. The pressure.
God, this is 9 mortars here.
This,
I don't have this.
oh,
Come on, Grant.
damn
Get together.
Can I stack them?
No.
I
You
need.
don't want one to fall over.
You can't
Classic
stack it. They gotta be
McGriff
flat.
right here.
I don't have much wick room here.
You've
I
got
need,
clear. You've got plenty.
we do a little French braid action.
Exactly. Exactly.
4 sounds good.
What's up?
4 sounds good.
That's not even full blast. Not even close.
Good.
Hey now.
I got plenty. I got plenty of volume to
There you
go.
go, sure.
This one. fun to guy these guys.
You're letting that guy in. Oh my god.
All right, we got her.
That's a bold move.
All right.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Hey, we got more going on. Huh?
It's a dud anyway.
All right.
Losers.
Countdown.
Oh god, here we go. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
God, that was amazing. That was perfect. So the last one of 9 was just what, chump
Does
change?
anyone have a light? I got a phone.
What someone called chump change. Now we're gonna go to 12 mortars at once.
Oh, I'm in.
You're already in.
Yeah.
Can you hold me? Oh, man.
Alright, I'm in.
God, I'm in. Okay.
All right, Brittany, you taking a video? Cameron, I got your phone.
See what's going on here. We got 3,
5 count.
6, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, I'm not ready.
Oh no, I think I'm out of juice in the lighter.
No.
Oh, thank God.
5, 4, 3.
Fuck! Wait! Go!
Oh yeah.
I couldn't have gone better. Yeah, got it.
All right, I'm ready.
Is everyone ready?
You went one too many.
5,
You went one too many off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I gotta go. Woo! All right, here we go. Me and Payson again with the Roman candles. We're going at it. I'm using this for the light because it's really dark out here. So we're about to get it going. You ready? Here we go. Ah, it's in my eyes! I can't see! I can't see! Oh, I got betrayed by my own. I can't see anything. I'm blind. Oh shit.
Guy, right?
Oh, that's her. Yes. God, we're ready. 4.
Oh, jeez.
4.
Oh, no.
4. 4. Good lord. All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ow! Fuck! I got stuck on
Oh.
Yes!
That was good. Yeah. That's as
And
good as
then
it
that's
gets.
America.
It is.
That's how we
That's
get.
literally America.
This is
almost
we've
the
shot.
definition of
This is the
independence.
last 6 of over 100 mortars tonight.
Wow, 114 to be
114 mortars. This is the last 6.
exact. And actually, then we had
Roman
I bought
candles.
3. So I'm sorry, 117.
Hey, it was a great birthday.
Oh,
Oh, and then
Yes,
I'm sorry,
America's
I
birthday.
can't forget the goat.
the goat. The
So,
goat
sorry.
was. Oh well.
So
It
that's
had the
another
3.
9.
The 3 in the end. The doo-doo-doo. That's
So I'm
pretty
sorry,
good.
126 mortars.
There we go. 126 mortars. You can't go wrong. Because this is America,
I mean, God bless.
and it's America's birthday.
Amen. This is why we know it.
God bless. Love this place.
Yeah, exactly.
Cute.
What the fuck is that? You think you're
Yeah.
celebrating America with that?
Try on 16 of the biggest mortars money can buy, legally anyway.
Now, I'm sure if we had more,
ready?
we would just continue.
Is everyone ready to go?
If we're ready.
4,
Here we
3,
go. The last 6.
2, 1.
Here we go. The last 6. Well, it's 11 o'clock. Everyone just left. I just got out of the shower. It was a great day. America's birthday. We shot off so many fireworks.
It was insane.
God, I mean, just a ton of fireworks. We went fishing.
16 at once.
16 fireworks at once. God. Great.
God,
Just a great night all around. Fishing didn't go great, but the fireworks made up for that 100%.
Phenomenal time. Anyways, great day. Got to do some fishing, shoot off a bunch of fireworks. Of course, phenomenal day. God bless America. That's all you gotta say.
That's all he's got to say. That's all anyone can say, because after all, this is America.